Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a way to keep your clothes clean while you're on vacation, then definitely take a look at this. And it really cleans my clothes, this mini laundry machine by YMXA. It's great for vacationing and it's great for small items like bathing suits, hand towels, or baby clothes. I put in a pair of smaller slacks that had a stain on them and it got the stain out. So if you're wondering if it works, it does. It doesn't kick water up and out. There's a lip on the bucket and a lip on the lid so that water isn't getting everywhere. Plus, there's a drain tube that you can open up and it's secure when it's closed. Very, very easy to use. There's also a 3-minute spin speed button so you can wring out those clothing, and then once it's done, it's damp and just ready to be hung and it's dry. There's a 10-minute standard wash and a 5-minute speed wash. So I'm saving my time. I'm loving the fact that it saves energy and is compact and easy to put away. It's not going to take up a ton of my space when I have it in storage. And I've already been traveling with it all the way to Hawaii, and it's just fantastic. So if you're looking for something that's really cute, fun to use, works great, and really quick, whether that be camping or vacation, or even just normal daily chores at home, this is definitely my option.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.